Hey everybody, this is Dave here with MarineMax Grand Lake. Today I'm giving you a walkthrough on this brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Starting off back here, as you can see, this boat is powered by two twin Mercury 225s. You have got 3 rod holders on the back as well as a live well over there. On your port and starboard side, you do have more space for some extra rods. Coolers down in the floor. And then you do have another live well as well as some cup holders right here as well. 2 rod holders on both sides. Moving up, you have got 2 captain's chairs here. Dual SIM-rad displays, JL audio, and a storage compartment up above. Making our way on up to the bow. Lots of different options up here. Right now we've got the filler cushions in. You can take those out, make it a little more spacey. There's a bow table up there as well, and storage underneath all of these guys. And of course you've got your cup holders up here as well. And then making our way back, got your head unit right here. Very spacious. Access to your batteries, keys over there. So if you like this new Boston Whaler or anything else you see in our online inventory, feel free to stop by MarineMax Grand Lake today or give us a call. Thanks.